Hi. It is 8:19. Look at my little unicorn on my charger. Look at my little unicorn biting my phone. I decided it would be a freaking good idea to, hold on. I'm holding you with my feet. But I decided it would be, okay, I'm getting a cramp. Can I get it out? Jesus. So I decided I'm gonna pamper myself tonight. We're gonna take a bath. We're gonna do a face mask. We're gonna paint these little boy hands. This is a very spontaneous video. What do we do first? Oh my god. Do you see this? Do you literally see my breakouts? What is that? That's why we're gonna do a face mask. I think we take a bath first. Yeah? Yeah? Are you saying yeah? Okay. You're right. Hi. Ow. It's so hot. Bath time. I have bubbles. Let's talk about my feelings. I started school last week. I like my classes. I just got some switcheroos today. I like this switch, it's really good. I get left out of a lot of things. People don't like me.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Enough of that. I got a beard now. Ho ho. I'm a little warm. I think I'm gonna actually take a shower now and bathe because this is not what I would consider bathing, even though it's a bath. So. I'm clean. Some pimples, and now we're gonna do a face mask. I'm so hot right now. The water in the bath and in my shower was boiling. So this face mask says 5 minutes, I will see the results. Gross. This doesn't look correct. Ooh. Now that's a mixture. I look like a pumpkin. This could do things to my face that are good, or it could be so bad. It smells bad. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna sit with this for like 8 minutes. So I decided while I let my face mask marinate, I would paint my nails. Now, I have little boy hands. So, let's paint them. I'm gonna use this color. It's this like, burnt tan orange color. Gold sparkles. Very cute, very pretty. So yes, let's paint them, why don't we?
to say.
So I finished painting my nails, right? They match my face. But I didn't really think, because now I gotta wash face mask off with freshly painted nails. Oh boy. I got a new chair. Wanna see it? This soft material and it spins. How cute, right? So cute. Okay, let's go wash my face mask.
It's not for me to say.
What the? Hold on. So, my camera battery is blinking at me. It's gonna die. It's like, I'm like, okay. Let me finish this off. I'm just brushing my hair out because I don't brush my hair ever. I haven't brushed it actually in like 3 days, and I've been wearing it in a bun for 3 days. And I decided I should brush it, so that's what I'm doing. These pimples are, they're there. So, you guessed it. Oh. Okay. You guessed it, my camera died, but basically I finished brushing my hair, I braided it, I moisturized the bottom half of my face, my nails survived. Okay. I'm done pampering myself. I feel refreshed. I bathed, I did a face mask, I brushed and braided my hair, I moisturized. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was definitely the weirdest video I have ever made and probably will ever make. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe for more of me. I will see you next time with another video. This is my weirdest video. I'm sorry. I don't know if it's gonna get posted. See you next time. Bye.
It's not for me to say.